So, welcome to the special episode of Boy vs. Wild. Today we are going to be in Maui, Hawaii. It is a very beautiful land. See, look at the natives like that. It's very beautiful how they act on the fly. Here's a local dog that has never been seen before except on Maui. And it's called a Labrador Retriever. Nobody has ever heard of one. It's very amazing. We just saw them at They might pull out there because we see them. So, let's go out to the beach, see what it is. But here, they like to go and sit inside a lot because it's so hot in Maui. Let's bring it over to the beach.
Yeah, that will work.
There's deep clips. You might not want to slip. Ooh. This is the beach where sometimes they catch trout and alligators and crocodiles and boarheads. Oh my God!
It goes from the forest. Let's go con the forest. Let's see Naco Mia.
Oh my God! He's so good.
Let's
Dinosaur eggs. Let's go hatch it.
Hi, I'm the sewer lady. I'm trying to push him into the water.
We have to go to the birdhouse. We're moving into the birdhouse. It has to go. That was the one that local neighbors. Coming any second now. There it is, the beautiful pterodactyl. It's about to fly away. Hello. Now we are riding on a canoe ride with our neighbor, Look, there's an orange in the water. They grow underwater, and then when they float up, they're ready. That's the native. They're saying, you guys can suck our balls. And I said, you suck your balls. And they said, no, you suck our balls. And I said, suck your own balls. And then they said, bye. And I said, bye, suck balls.
I'm SpongeBob.
She keeps telling me to suck her balls. I'm not going to, though. Only natives do that.
I'm SpongeBob.
We're getting kind of deep. Hi, SpongeBob down here. SpongeBob. She said that she's going to commit suicide, so we get stuck out here. So, okay, we're going. Okay. Oh! Hi. This is the Honolulu princess. She's visiting us at Maui. Her name is Takawakali. They're speaking to each other. Oh my God! Princess! What the fuck is that?
I guess she died.
Oh my God. Well, she's dead. Sorry, guys. This is another episode of Boy vs. Wild. I need to join.
Me too. And I'm just the native.